Best earn per click affiliate programs in 2021. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best earn per click affiliate programs that you can use in 2021. At number 1, we have Media.net. Now guys, Media.net has one of the biggest advertisers in the whole world, and you can let their ads maximize your monetization. Now over here you can basically see like all the big brands that are working with this particular company. We have Forbes, we have CBS Interactive, we have MSN, SF Gate, CNN, US Today, and so many more big brands. Now over here you can see all the different features that they offer. Like basically they're going to be providing you with display ads, contextual ads, and like basically revolutionizing your ad strategy completely. You can get global demand for your inventory, and they provide you with easy to access high quality display ads by connecting with all the major buyer networks. After that, we can even see like we have all the native ads. We can prioritize your user experience, and then after that we can simply apply for Media.net. It is very simple. Click on sign up, and then that is basically going to take you over to this page. Now over here on the left side you can see some of their features. So simply put in your website, your email address, your country of residence, and you will be signed up, and then you can basically use their program and earn per click however you would like to. So guys, this was app number 1, and now we're gonna jump into app number 2. So at app number 2 we have Adsterra.com. Now guys, Adsterra.com is a global advertising and CPA affiliate network with a unique partner approach. They help advertisers meet their KPIs and grow ROI, while publishers to maximize eCPM with their easy-to-use advanced traffic solutions and the team in the industry. Now they were founded in 2013, so they have a big history, they have a big prior experience. Now it doesn't matter if you're a newbie or a pro, you will get full access to their high-quality service from over 18,000 direct publishers and their innovative platform features, because they deliver an A-class service for brands, agencies, affiliate networks, and media buyers. You can easily start within an hour, and you will also be given a helpful traffic estimator, 3-level anti-fraud protection, multiple cost models, CPM, CPC, CPA, CPL, CPI, and various ad formats as well. And then after that you can basically even see like basically what type of ad formats will you be given. You will be given pop under formats, social bars, push ads, native ads, video ads, and even banners as well. So all in all, like they basically give you everything, and you won't have to go to another application to get something else. Now over here you can even see some of the feedback that they've gotten from like different people, and they also have a blog of their own as well. So like honestly, it is a nice platform to get started. Again, to get started, simply click on the top right where it says sign up, and sign up as an affiliate, and you will be earning quite a lot of money in passive income. Like over here, simply fill this out, create an account, and start earning money for yourself or for your company. So guys, this was app number 2. Now we're gonna jump into app number 3. So at app number 3 we have Adblade.com. Now guys, Adblade.com isn't the biggest service in the world. I mean, like as compared to all the previous services that we talked about, this one is the smallest in scale, but they give you a very nice network because Adblade is a publisher's first choice for monetization solutions. Their technology provides strong sales control, robust reporting, and drives revenue. Their revenue seamlessly integrates with any design to offer your audience a high quality user experience, and you can start earning industry-leading CPMs right now. So click on how to monetize your site to basically learn how you can start earning money through your site, or click on join now. Now once you do that, they will basically give you 3 options. Choose whatever option suits you, and then after that simply move on to the next application, which is Revenue Hits. So guys, Revenue Hits is an amazing platform, and they have over 20,000 publishers worldwide, and you can choose Revenue Hits without thinking. I mean, like it's a no-brainer because like they really are a top-notch company. Now they have partners like Propeller Ads, Lead Waves, Clickadoo, Link Shrink. Like all these are link shorting services, and all of them display ads whenever you click on them. So click on the top right where it says how it works, and then simply go over here. Now from over here you can simply create a placement, you can implement tags, you can track and analyze, and you can let them take care of all the bidding options. Basically you won't have to like attach any payment processor with your website. All that you need to do is simply connect this particular website with your website and you will be good to go. So guys, this was basically app number 4. Now we're gonna jump into app number 5. App number 5. So at app number 5, we have skimlinks.com. Now guys, skimlinks.com is another amazing source of revenue for your website. They have been trusted by some of the biggest names in the industry like Condé Nast, Yahoo, HuffPost, Daily Mirror, and then you can even see that they have over 48,000 merchants worldwide and over $2.5 million in sales every single day. So like that is a lot of money and that is a big network. They even have 60,000 publishers worldwide and you can connect to thousands of merchants instantly. And by joining Skimlinks, you will have direct access to a global network of 48,500 merchants and 50 demand partners, including affiliate, CPA, CPC, and merchants that agree to offer special commissions to Skimlinks publishers are easily identified in the VIP and preferred partner program. So now from over here, if you want to use this particular software, click on sign up and then simply sign up for absolutely free. So guys, this was app number 5. Now we're gonna jump into app number 6. App number 6. So at app number 6, we have Infolinks.com. So guys, Infolinks.com is basically going to provide you with curated viewability and audience retention, and you can discover what they can do with just scrolling down. So over here, you can basically see that they will provide you with intent targeting, high viewability, exclusive placements, like basically all the top-notch stuff. And over here, you can basically see that they have over 350,000 websites worldwide and over 240 million monthly unique users. That means that every single month 240 million new people are coming onto their platform and they're basically expanding their reach every single month and by a big margin. They also get 1.5 billion monthly ad views. That means that they are earning quite a lot of money in revenue and they can definitely scale if they want to. They are the third largest publisher marketplace. So like honestly, being the third largest on the internet in any category is a big honor. So like it must be big. Now over here you can see some testimonials from people who have used this particular service and what they have to say about that. And then below that you even have some more testimonials from like big people. And now over here you can basically see like, you can reach users when they're the most engaged. You can go global. You can advertise with your budget. And like all in all, some of the biggest names like stated over here are working with them. Very nice and very potential. So click on website sign up. And then after that, simply join them either with Facebook or email. And you can see some of the biggest advertisers that they have. So guys, this was app number 6. We have Taboola.com. Now, Taboola.com is an amazing website, and the reason we have this at the last of our list is because they're a bit more expensive. Now, you can drive business results by reaching people genuinely effectively and at the right moment. And then also they have partnerships with some of the biggest publishers all around the world. So like definitely they are a nice website to work with if you want to get started ASAP and like, get a lot of engagement on your ads. So click on the top right where it says login and then simply log in or sign up within a couple of seconds and you will be good to go. So like definitely all these softwares, they are top-notch softwares and honestly you can't go wrong with any one of them. I mean like they're really top-notch softwares. At the end of the day, what's gonna matter is which software's pricing suits you the most. So like definitely take that into consideration and you will be good to go. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and till next time, goodbye.